In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add formulas in Notion. If you use Notion databases to track information, formulas can help you automate calculations and make your workspace much more powerful. Instead of doing math manually or updating values one by one, you can create a formula property that calculates results for you based on the other columns in your database. This is especially useful for things like totals, taxes, scores, progress tracking, or simple logical conditions. To get started, open your Notion database. This can be in Table View, Board View, or List View. If you are in Table View, look across your property columns and click the plus button at the far right. If you are in a Board or List View, choose the option that says Add a Property. This is how you create a new field in your database. Once the property menu appears, scroll through the list of property types and select Formula. This tells Notion that the new column should not hold regular text or numbers, but instead should generate a value based on a formula you write. After you choose Formula, the new property will appear in your database. Next, click on the newly created Formula column. From there, select Edit Property to open the Formula panel. This is where you'll enter and manage the logic for your formula. The formula editor is the space Notion gives you to build calculations, and it can handle both simple and more advanced expressions. Now it's time to write your formula. In the formula editor box, type the mathematical equation or logic you want Notion to use. For example, if you want to multiply values from two other columns, you can reference them with the prop function. A formula like prop open brackets price closed bracket multiplied by prop open bracket tax closed bracket tells Notion to pull the values from those specific properties and calculate the result automatically. You can type property references manually using prop followed by the column name in quotation marks. Or you can choose properties from the suggestion menu if Notion offers them while you type. That can make the process faster and help avoid mistakes, especially if your column names are long or very similar. As you write, make sure the property names match exactly what's in your database, since formulas depend on those names being correct. Once your formula is entered, Notion will start applying it across the database automatically. That's it. You've now added a formula in Notion and opened the door to more dynamic, automated databases,